They're gonna show you how to dial it in, how to put the feeder on there, and everything else. And then we got TIG, aluminum steel, stainless steel, carbon steel, we got it all. We're gonna show you how to use all this equipment. We're gonna show you how to use that. And then we have Blue Shield here. So we got up to 8 certifications you can get. If you guys wanna take a tour, please call us. We're here for you guys. We wanna make sure you guys get the full effect of CET. And if we don't have the program, we have 12 locations where you guys can call. Thank you guys.